Hey, Texas Pipe Fabricators Incorporated. My name is Brant. I'm with Mallard Digital Marketing. We spoke the other day, or one of my associates spoke to you. And as you can see here, I'm going to show you the benefits of having a website. And as I searched, there was no website for you on file. There was LinkedIn, as you can see here. But however, LinkedIn is not it's not the best option in order to get as much business as possible. And I will show you here why that is. And we do website building along with our SEO. So if you are not interested in the SEO services, we can still construct you a website separately. If that's something you're interested in, then we can talk about that when we get to it. So to start things off, I'm going to show you this quick thing that we can do for you, this quick tool, using one of your competitors, Industrial Fabricators in Corpus Christi. And they do the pipe fabricating, which you have listed in your name. And as you can see here with their website, they have a website, it's nice. However, let me show you some errors that it has and what we would do for your website in order to surpass this. So to start things off, Google has this thing called optimization. And the way that that works is they pull keywords, phrases from your site in order to pull your website from the list of all other people in the area that do the same service that you do and put it at the top. It's basically popularity ranking. And they do that by the content of your website. And as you can see here, we have this website which has a good amount of content, but the secret is you need over 1,500 words in order to reach optimization for Google. And this website does not have 1,500 words. And you want to have 1,500 words including as many keywords as possible. Now keywords is where the consumer comes in, where they will search pipe fabricators, Corpus Christi, things like that. And the keywords, you want phrases like that, what they're going to search, in order for that to link back to your website. As you can see here, they're trying to put as much keywords as possible, which is smart, but it doesn't quite work. You need to have more content than that. And it's not constructed nicely. And so, in terms of the look of this website, it's not the best looking website. You want it to be visually appealing. That actually makes a huge difference on whether or not a potential customer would choose your business over someone else's. They like to have a website. They like to see who they're working with. If it's family run, or if you have, want to put a spotlight on some of your employees, tell a little bit about you guys, what you do. That's something that customers appreciate greatly, and it makes them more likely to go with your service. And so one trick that we do, and it's through this tool called Eris, very expensive tool, but it's worth it, helping all these businesses. And basically it gives us accurate, non-manipulatable statistics for a website. And this is for that website I showed you earlier. And let me explain some things. So this is a backlink. And backlink, they have 44 backlinks. This is something where another site links back to your site, which is extremely helpful. That's websites like LinkedIn, Yelp, things that contain your website on it. And so, for example, if you search, pipe fabricators in Corpus Christi, there's going to be like a Yelp article that says 10 best contractors. That will allow you to be upgraded and put on those. And that's extremely helpful because people will usually choose number one on there. So we want to get as many backlinks for you as possible. And keywords, again, the keywords we were telling you about, how you want as many as possible linking on your website so that Google pulls from that. And then they have 60 keywords, which is, obviously, it's an amount, but it's not the amount that you would want. You want to have 3-4 times this. You want to be able to have as many keywords as possible in order to pull optimization. And traffic, they get about 86 visits a month on average, which is pretty good. 86 people viewing your website. I don't know the statistic of how many people chose their business, but I would assume it's pretty high. Now, since you don't have a website, I can't show you these examples with your website, but that is something that we can look into and talk about if you are interested about building a website and doing SEO. Or again, if you just want a website without SEO, we can also work on that. But as you can see here, those two really work hand in hand to benefit you and grow your business. And I hope that you will take into consideration how this might help you. If you would like to give us a call and talk to us a little bit more about it, see if it's right for you, or learn a little bit more about what we can do, then go ahead and give us a call at 910-725-8405. And again, my name is Brant.